Hi everyone, I'm here at our Star Labs warehouse and I wanted to give you a quick behind the scenes look at what goes into preparing a Byte. So our Bytes don't just come off some factory conveyor belt. We finished the assembly here in the UK. We put in the SSD, we put in the RAM, then we quality check it and make sure everything's working as it should. We install our own firmware that we've developed ourselves, and we also install the Linux distro that has been selected at checkout. As far as we're aware, the Byte is the only mini PC on the market that uses the latest hardware along with core boot firmware, and that's really what sets us apart, as well as the care and attention to detail that goes into finishing our products and making sure that they work perfectly out the box. So I'm going to hand you over to Stephen, who's one of our senior techies, who's going to show you exactly what happens when we prepare a Byte.
Okay, so we're obviously going to show you how we prep each and every one of our Bytes. So each one is done per customer's order, and yeah, just going to give you a quick overview on how we do that. So obviously we take it out of our other bespoke packaging. Each one comes packaged like this in a cloth bag. On the back you will have just 4 screws. They come with rubber feet, but that's included in the box along with the DC charger. But yeah, just need to pop those 4 screws out of the back plate. Obviously this is not me working fast, this is a little bit quicker than how we work. So yeah, the board doesn't have any screws in as such, so it just needs popping out from the front or the back. Just need to be careful once they're fully assembled, because the antennas, which are just there, are quite short and sit just under the SSD, which we're now assembling into the machine. So as you can see, like there's 1 RAM slot, and then the antennas, which are could be repositioned if you need to, or even replaced like every component in the machine. So yeah, and you may notice that in the center of the board there is a SATA connector that can be used to house the extra storage in the top of the lid of the machine. Yeah, that's an option that you can order the machine with as well. But yeah, can be installed at a later date. So yeah, just making sure we don't catch any of the wiring. Can be popped back together. Make sure the ports are aligned. New addition on the Mark III is the fan, as you can see there. So it's got slightly smaller heatsink to make way for the fan. Okay, that's everything assembled. Let's move on to showing you how to prep the machine. Okay, so we're going to use DisplayPort. That's what we've got. And there we go. Obviously I can't show you how to prep, but we'll show you what happens after we finish the prep.
So when you buy a Byte, you're not just buying a mini PC, you're buying a product that has been thoroughly checked and genuinely cared for by a team that believes in what they're doing. So thank you very much for supporting us and believing in what we do.